Actually, let's go to the next story and stick with Russia just for a moment. Okay. Apparently, there's been reports, just the next tab over, there's been reports of moldy burgers in the new Russian McDonald's replacement.
Oh.
Russians served moldy burgers.
Oh, boy.
I don't know. You can imagine there's people that are pissed that McDonald's is no longer in Russia, and they're going to be going over their new meals from the Russia replacement with a fine-tooth comb. They're going to be really inspecting that stuff. Hey, what is up with this? So the new version of McDonald's in Russia is called Tasty, and that's it. That's the translation. Kusno and Tachka. It looks like McDonald's. The items are kind of like McDonald's. McDonald's is nowhere to be found. And now, there's disturbing images, apparently, that have emerged showing mold on the hamburger buns, and other customers have reported finding insect legs in the meat patties.
Oh.
Which, a little extra protein.
If you want to be optimistic, sure. I get it.
Ksenia Sobchak, a Russian television personality and a leader of the political opposition to the Putin government, well, that's definitely someone who'd be reporting on this, posted the images on her Telegram chat channel. It looks like they don't quite honor the standards of McDonald's, at least in terms of product quality control. Today, at least 3 cases were recorded of burgers with moldy buns sold to customers.
That's the insect leg that we're looking at
I
right
guess
now?
that must be an insect leg, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so social media is going to be, I just can't imagine being happy. Maybe there's a new appreciation for what McDonald's does, delivering the sheer quantity of fast food as quickly as they do and without the moldy buns. Have you ever experienced the moldy? I don't think I did.
From McDonald's?
Yeah.
I don't believe so.
I don't think
Their
so.
quality is top notch.
I don't know if they're, I don't know, who knows? Maybe they freeze it or have some other process for it.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're not going to be a happy customer. They had hundreds of locations over there, like 700 locations. They've all converted over. It says McDonald's sold its 700 eateries to the operators. So I guess, I don't think they got something for it. Who knows if they'll ever come back? Probably not anytime soon. Probably a couple more moldy buns. It is just a few photos, though. They're just getting started over there, Will.
Yeah, growing pains.
Tasty and that's it. Moldy and that's it. They'll figure out. They're going to figure out the tasty part.
Okay.
They're going to... That does kind of bother me, though. If you had a restaurant, Will, you have a restaurant and you screw up once and all of a sudden you got a bag of moldy whatever and it goes out and the Google reviews are coming in, you're dead. You invested all your money, you did the renovation, and then one moldy bag goes out to social media. Like 12 customers.
That's all it takes nowadays.
And you're like, no, come back. I'll make it right. I really screwed up. I'm just... Or it was even if you owned it, it was an employee who screwed up and grabbed the moldy bag, and
that was supposed to go to the dumpster.
There's no second chances out here, you know.
No.
You just there's too much selection, too many options, too many places I can go other than Willie Doo's Burger Co. I'll give you a shot. I'm going to give you a second chance. You give me the moldy bun. Okay. You give me the moldy bun. I'm going to come back. I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to say, listen, I want to give you a heads up. The bun's got a little bit of mold on it. Not writing the Google review. We're going to do this again. I'm going to order the next one. We're going to sort it out. Just need to make you aware.
Okay, good to know.
That's what we're going to do. Willie Doo Burger Co.